Today we shall discuss of Gitanjali in short. Gitanjali composed by Rabindranath Tagore. It was first composed in Bengali language, that was the original language of Rabindranath Tagore, in 1910. Later it was transcreated or translated into English language in 1912 by Tagore himself, as it was the voice of his own heart. So it is called to be a spiritual autobiography. We can say that Gitanjali is a spiritual autobiography. Tagore's fame as a poet rests, or in English, chiefly on his Gitanjali, and it is a transcreation of the Bengali original. With this work, Tagore achieved everything: name, fame, international recognition, and Tagore was also awarded the Nobel Prize in 1913 for literature. In short, the meaning of Gitanjali, that is the songs or lyrics. Gitanjali, that is Anjali, handful of songs, handful of lyrics, and Gitanjali, that is song offerings of songs at the feet of God. Gitanjali is song offerings, and show the publication date original in Bangalore language, it was 1910. Gitanjali was translated into English by Tagore himself with an introduction by W.B. Yeats in 1912, and it also won Nobel Prize for the next year in 1913. Gitanjali is a transcription of the Bengali original language. There are 103 songs or lyrics in Gitanjali. There are 103 songs in all, and it is a spiritual autobiography of Tagore, or the voice of our own soul. So it must be, or it is very spiritual, it is very religious, and it is full of devotions. There is a lot of theme in Gitanjali: the theme of nature, the theme of humanism, the theme of the devotions of man for his supreme power, for his God. The central theme is the realization of the divine through self-purification. This is the central theme, that is the realization. This is the central theme of Gitanjali, to realize that supreme power, the realization of the divine through self-purification and a service to humanity. The lyrics or the songs of Gitanjali mainly deal with God. Means the main theme of Gitanjali is based on our maker or the creator, that is God, and the human soul. God and nature and soul. Means he tells in brief the relation among all of them. The relation between God and nature, the relation between God and soul, the relation between soul and man, and we can get, or we can realize God and nature only through our soul. And the individual soul and humanity, there is also a unity of man, God and nature, that is called oneness in all. God has been represented in all the lyrics in a different way, and Tagore regards God all in all, everything. He was everything to Tagore. God has been presented as a father, as a mother, as a child, as a lover, as a beloved, as a poet, as a king, as a master, as a creator, as a maker, as a savior, and as a friend.